welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing meal planning with you guys like I promised I would do. The video last week I showed you how I planned for my week. Well, today I'm going to show you how I meal plan. I am also going to include some really adorable printable calendars that you can actually fill in, which is really convenient, so you don't have to write everything down. So I'm going to include those down below. I did not create them, so you'll see the site where you have to go to be able to get those. I want to give credit where it's due. I did not make them, but I use them and I love them, and I think that you will too. Also, when you go to that site, you'll see all kinds of really cool printable things to organize your binders with and your week with for your meals and your schedule, so it's really convenient. So like I said, I'm going to have that in the description box below. Want to give credit where credit is due. I did not come up with it myself, but the binder system is what I use and what is most convenient for our family. So I'm going to show you where I actually fill out the calendar full of meals, and in that calendar you'll see each week is there and there's additional weeks there, and you fill out every single day. And what I do is I rotate the months, so I'm not always having to figure out what to do for dinner. If you're like me, you make dinner all the time, but when the time comes, if you're not prepared, it often feels like you come to a complete blank. This will definitely help you guys, and obviously you guys will make it fit for your family. You can use some of my dinner ideas. I like to see other people's calendars to see if I can maybe pull a new recipe off of there to try something new, but I like to rotate everything, and that way it's easy for me. And if I kind of come to like, I'm a little stumped on what to make, it's right there and I can choose. Also, these are meals that I've actually sat down with my family and said, what do you guys like that I make? So I know that I can go here and it's pretty, like, there's no guesswork. I just do it. And this is how I will base my grocery list off of. I will base what we're gonna eat, everything. So, okay, here we go. Here's my month. Monday's a free-for-all. Tuesday is always Taco Tuesday. Wednesday is always breakfast. Thursday's a free-for-all, meaning I can just choose whatever. Friday's always leftovers, pizza or salad. Saturday's always sandwiches and soups. I have a blank one here that I'm going to fill in and then type up when I'm ready. And here are some of my old ones that I've done. And then here is my week. So this is how I fill it in. And I've already started from last Thursday. So we had pizza and a veggie plate. The veggie plate was for me because we had family over. And then we had dinner with friends on Friday. Soups and salads. Soups and sandwiches, excuse me. Burger and fries on Monday. Chicken chili, tortillas for the kids. Breakfast, like I said, on Wednesday. Thursday is chicken and peppers over rice, pizza and salads. I'm getting better, getting more and more organized, and I'm really finding that it makes my days and weeks so much smoother. So I really encourage you guys to just take some extra time in the evening or first thing in the morning, or when a baby or a kid takes a nap, whenever you can, to put the phone down or whatever you got to do to just get organized. Your life will run so much more smoothly. Pinterest is a really, really good source to look for ways to organize, so I encourage you guys to go there. You can even find me on Pinterest and you can see my organization boards. I will make sure to add that as well. Find me and we can chit chat if you want to about what you're doing, but that helps me. I think, what did we do before Pinterest? It is mind-blowing. So definitely go there. They have some really good ideas. I'm also going to be doing a clipboard system for my kids in the summer because they need to get busy. Sitting around all day is not working, and me trying to fight for them to go outside is not working. So I'm also going to be, next week, I'm going to be showing you my clipboard system to keep the kids busy, the house clean, and things running smoothly. So make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't yet already, because that's coming next week. Okay guys, I hope that helps you out to help plan your meals for the week and in the future. Like I had mentioned before, I will link everything down below. Please feel free to share with me your yummy meal ideas and recipes. I'd love to hear it. And if you see anything on there that you want to make, anything on my calendar that looks good to you and you would like to make it, let me know, and I would be happy to share the recipe with you. Don't forget to find me on Instagram. We can chat there. It's easier for me to communicate with you guys one-on-one on Instagram, but I try to respond to everyone's comments as best as I possibly can. But yeah, find me on there, and if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, and I will have more of these coming up for you. And I'm also gonna try to meal plan with you guys every single week. I've also got my Walmart and Aldi haul coming this week, so keep your eye out for that. It will be all the groceries that will be for this week's meal planning. So I am on a budget for 7 people. I'm trying to keep it under $500 a month. So far I'm doing pretty good. Make sure you watch when you see it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are the first one to be notified when I upload new videos. I will be posting more videos like this every week, as well as my hauls and my cleaning and my crafts. Just a little bit of everything. I hope you guys enjoy, and I love you guys. Bye.